we're coming up again to a blind corner here, thinking about what hazards could be presenting themselves. We're going to be taking the right at this intersection, so I'm going to signal early. Now, I'm going to always try to come up to the stop line perpendicular to it, so I'm going to make a full stop as soon as it disappears out of my sight. I shoulder check right. As I go forward to see what's happening to right, I quarter steer right, and I'm checking to the right. Once I know it's clear, I shoulder check right, and then I make the turn. So notice I didn't try to turn at the exact same time as that car was passing by. We try to stagger our turn so we're not making the turn as he's passing.